Hey guys, Phil here from STV Sydney Trains Vlogs. I'm currently at a level crossing between Mulgrave and Vineyard stations. What I'm going to do is I'm going to film a train pass here doing over 100 k's an hour. Now I'll have about 3 phones recording this, so there'll be a few different angles in this video, so yeah, enjoy. Anyway guys, I'm going to wrap this vlog up. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and favourite the video. Thank you for watching and bye for now.